if you're singing, but. Alright guys, I wasn't planning on filming a video for this, but it turns out this is a much more in-depth process than it should be, to be honest. This is thanks to Chrysler. Carl went ahead and bought a new oil pan because we had cracking on our old one, and so we're trying to switch this out at the moment.
Let's see if I can see that. You can see real good splintering in there. Can you see it?
Yep.
This crack is pretty good too. Right there. This entire section's missing.
So I'm gonna take you under the car here. So right here is the steering rack. What you're gonna do is remove a bolt on this side that goes through there. That'll let that drop down. You can just let it rest on the tie rod ends for the moment being. And you're gonna take out a bolt on this side that went through there. And that way that whole thing can drop down out of your way with minimal work. We were hoping that'd be enough to get this oil pan out, but it just isn't. In order to get the fins on the back of the oil pan to clear this subframe bar, we had to undo the 4 nuts for the motor mounts there and on the other side as well. And then we're jacking up on the transmission in order to lift the powertrain high enough to get the fins on the oil pan to clear this subframe bar. So you'll need to lift the motor while attached to the transmission once you've removed the 4 nuts connecting the motor mounts to the subframe. And you'll need to bring the front of the oil pan below this front subframe bar. It's definitely tricky and pretty tight, but it is doable if you drop the steering rack and take off the 4 nuts for the motor mounts. The other important step is to like this video if it helped you out, and please do me a favor and subscribe. Hope you guys have a good one, and if you have any questions, comment down below. There's a learning curve. Yeah, I'm free falling, can you hear me calling?